Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Wassalamu ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wasahbihi ajma'in. So welcome back to Fluid Mechanic class. So inshallah today we'll be doing a tutorial on chapter 4.3, but before that I have additional material for you, which is I forgot to mention it in chapter 4.3 lecture video. So you need to refer to chapter 3 notes, okay, chapter chapter 3 finite volume analysis notes on page 108 until 124. Okay, and in this page we will be looking at one is the power for pump, equation for power for pump. Okay, what is the equation for power for pump? Okay, power untuk mencari nilai power untuk pump, you need HP, gamma, and Q. Okay, P is stand for power, and the small p here is pump, equal to HP, gamma, Q. HP, what is HP? HP is the head pump. Okay, and gamma is the specific weight, and Q is the value of flow rate. And the same equation for power for turbine, just need to change here HP to HT. So PT, power for turbine, equal to HT gamma Q. So HT is the turbine head. Okay, where to find HP and HT? Okay, where to find HP and HT actually is come from the energy equation lah. Okay, so what is the energy equation? We know the energy equation P1 over gamma plus P1 square over 2G plus Z1 minus HL, total loss minus HT plus HP from pump equal to P2 over gamma plus P2 square over 2G plus Z2. So HP and HT come from this energy equation lah. Okay, you must remember we have another two additional equation in this chapter 4. This chapter 4 lah, flow in pipe. Okay, that's all daripada saya untuk soalan ni. So untuk additional material. Okay, so kita akan tengok tutorial lah. So untuk tutorial ni kita akan just continue from previous tutorial lah. So this equation September 2014. Okay, let's look at the equation first. Okay, water flow from large reservoir. You know, this is a large reservoir here. Okay, large reservoir to smaller one. Okay, this is a smaller one. Through a 5 cm diameter pipe. Okay, we have 5 cm diameter pipe. The pipe is cast iron. Okay, the pipe is shown in the figure. Okay, the total length of pipe is 89 meters here, and the water rate, flow rate is 6 liter per second determined. Okay, first of all, you need to solve semua sekali ni untuk your homework. You need to solve 1, 2, 3, 4, everything here. Okay, flow regime. What is flow regime? That means by flow regime is they want you to find the flow regimes. They want you to find the flow type of flow in the pipe. Okay, that type of flow. Apa dia type of flow? We know lah. Type of flow. Just to find one, we need to find the Reynolds number, and then we can determine whether the laminar ataupun turbulent. So you need to know how to find laminar or turbulent. So just using the Reynolds number. Okay. Question 2. What is question 2? It's about the major losses in pipe. So major losses in pipe, very easy. So you have found it before, right? HL major equal to F L over D V square over 2G, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, you should be, we've got 26.3 lah. This from the yang buat sebelum ni 26.3, and then units meter. Okay, and then minor losses. Okay, minor losses, we also have fundamental losses, which is 1.26. Okay, so we have 5 meters. Okay, 3 is the minor losses, HL minor equal to KL V square over 2G. So we have 1.2, so 6 meter. So total up H total, or total up je lah, H total ni berapa? So H total equal to apa ni? 27.5. So we have 27.5 meter. Okay, and last question is about the elevation. Okay, elevation from here, point 1 to point 2 here. So elevationnya ni dia nak ni. H ni berapa? Okay, elevation. Okay, so how to find? Okay, very easy lah. So we have point 1 here that is given to us, and we have point 2 here. Since we have 2 points, so just use the energy equation lah. So what is an energy equation? So what is an energy equation? Just use the equation P1 over gamma plus V1 square over 2G plus Z1 minus HL minus HT turbine minus plus H pump equal to plus H pump equal to P2 over gamma plus V2 square over 2G plus Z2. Okay, as I said before, kita kena simplifies equation ni. Kita kena pemudahkan equation ni supaya kita mudah hidup kita lah. Okay, alright. So, sekarang kita tahu ini adalah permukaan. Point 1 adalah permukaan air dan terdedah kepada atmosfer. Point 2 adalah permukaan air juga dan terdedah kepada atmosfer. So, how we simplify the equation? So, point 1, since exposed to atmosphere, so pressure dia akan jadi kosong. Point 2 pun terdedah kepada atmosfer. So, pressure akan jadi kosong. V1 akan jadi kosong sebab dia adalah permukaan air dalam tank. So, permukaan air dalam tank tak bergerak lah air tu. Okey, permukaan air tak bergerak. Okey, V2 pun sama, kosong juga sebab di permukaan air dalam tank. So, untuk kedua-dua soalan ni, kita tak ada pump dan tak ada juga turbine. Kalau buat tengok sistem dia, tak ada pump, tak ada turbine. Cuma ada fitting saja. So, kita boleh padamkan bahagian yang turbine dan juga pump kosong. So, we want to find the elevation difference between point 1 and point 2. So, from this equation that is simplified, so just buat macam ni lah. Z1 minus Z2 equal to HL. Okay, so HL we know that HL is HN and H total kita adalah 27.5 meters. Okay, 27.5 meters. So just masukkan saja nilai 27.5 meters. Okay, 27.5 meters. That is your answer lah untuk soalan ni. Okay, Z2 we can consider to is 0 lah. Okay, since Z2 is our reference level. Okay, reference level. Okay, that's the first question. Okay, now the second question. Okay, kita continue tutorial kita yang sebelum ni ya. Okay, we have water at 10 degrees Celsius directed up to 8 meter. Okay, 8 mm. Okay, air naik sebanyak 80 mm. Above the exit vertical part, point at point 3. Okay, point 3 lah. Start pada sini naik point 3 ni. Okay, and then shown the figure, the water pipe system is made from galvanized iron. So galvanized iron consists of 3 90-degree elbow. So kita ada 3 lah, 1, 2, 3. 3 90-degree elbow kita ada 3 degree elbow. Okay, the loss coefficient. Okay, ni loss coefficient ni maksudnya K lah. K untuk 90-degree elbow dia adalah KL untuk 90 elbow adalah 1.5 untuk ketiga 90 degree. Untuk ketiga-tiganya, pipe head diameter 20. Okey, diameter pipe ni adalah 20 mm. Okey. Okey, the total length of the piping system point 1 to point 3 exit adalah 535. So the L dia adalah 535 mm. So unit ni semua awak perlu tukar kepada meter. Okay, determine the pressure reading at point 1. So you want to find P1. Okay, berapa P1? Okay, assuming no losses between point 2 and point 3 that losses. Okay, alright. So I think you have already solved this. Okay, macam mana kita nak cari P1? So from the energy equation juga. So just write energy equation P1 over gamma plus Z1, plus V1 square over 2G plus Z1 minus HL minus HP plus sorry, minus HT, minus HT plus HP equal to P2 over gamma plus V2 square over 2G plus Z2. Okay, alright. So, right now, okay, macam mana nak solve? Okay, boleh pilih lah, pilih point mana. Anda ambil point 1 dengan point 2 pun boleh. Ambil point 1 dengan point 3 pun boleh. So, since kita deal water in part, so kita ambil 1 dengan 3 lah. Point 1 dengan 3. So, point 1. So, point sini tukar pada 3 lah. Ni tukar pada 3, 3, 3. Okay. Okay, so, kita tahu kat sini P3 terdedah kepada atmosfer. Terdedah kepada atmosfer. P3 terdedah kepada atmosfer. So, kat sini kita boleh padamkan P3 kosong. Okay, alright. So, apa lagi yang kita tahu? Ada elevation difference tak? Point 1 dengan point 3. Ada Kat sini tinggi dia adalah 100 mm. Daripada pipe ni ke bawah. Daripada pipe ni ke bawah adalah 100 mm. Okay, daripada ujung pipe ni. So, pipe ni berbentuk ni macam ni lah pipe tu. Ni pipe dia macam ni. Kita ada pipe. Then, dia naik ke atas 90 darjah. Dan ada pipe sikit. Okay, ni point 3 kat sini. This is point 3, point 1 dia kat tengah-tengah pipe ni lah. Kat sini. So, point 1 kat sini. So, difference dia adalah 100 mm. Okay. So, ada apa lagi yang kita boleh simplifies since tak ada. Okay. Tapi kita tahu, size pipe diameter ni dekat point 1 dan point 3. Dia sama. Ke tak sama? Sepatutnya samalah pipe ni. Pipe dia size dia sama. Bila pipe dia size dia sama, so macam mana dengan velocity dekat point 1 dan juga point 3. Okay. Pipe dia sama. Apa akan jadi pada velocity at point 1 dan point 3? Okay, so that's you have to find out yourself lah. Okay, so find out yourself what happened to V3 and V1. So you need to find. Okay, so we want to find the P1 here, P1 here. So we know that elevation Z1 and Z3, Z1 Z3 minus Z1 kita akan dapat 100 mm, which is 0.1 cm lah. Sorry, 0.1 meter. Okay, with 0.1 meter. So in this question also, we doesn't have HT and HP. So we can just cancel out. Okay, HP and HT. Also here, we already found the H total lah. H total kita dah found. Kita dah cari sebelum ni dalam kita punya tutorial yang sebelum ni 0.85. So nilai HTHL kita dah ada 0.45. Okay, 45 meter. Okay. Value for Z1 and Z3, we also have the value for Z1 and Z3. So what you need to know is the value of V1 and V3. Okay, to solve the equation. Okay, after that, just rearrange balik punya equation ni to cari V1 ni berapa. Okay, that's your second homework, and your third homework is about this question lah, September 2015. Okay, here we have a pump used to generate water volume flow rate Q at 141.4 meter cubic per second in the piping system as shown in the figure. The water pipe system is made from galvanized iron and has a large diameter. Okay, the pipe system is made of galvanized iron, has a 5 large diameter pipe. Okay, we have here 5 large diameter pipe. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then we have 2 small diameter pipe here, 1 and 2. Okay, and then what else we have? Apa lagi yang kita ada? Kita ada 4, nanti dia elbow. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1 expansion. This is expansion. 1 expansion here and 1 contraction here. Okay. Okay, the pressure at the inlet and outlet pump is measured to be P2 adalah 20 kilo Pascal. So pressure dekat sini adalah, sorry, dekat sini ada tulis So 20 kilo Pascal, dan pressure dekat point 1 dekat sini adalah 30 kilo Pascal respectively. The elevation height, okay, elevation height kita boleh abaikan lah. Dia kata kat sini, really neglect kat sini Determine the power by the pump to maintain the water flow rate. So you need to find the power of the pump. Okay, so how to find the power of the pump? So I said before, Seperti saya katakan sebelum ini. Okay, as early up di inilah video ni saya beritahu. Dan HP, HP not HP power by pump can be written as HP gamma Q. Okay, HP ni apa? HP ni head pump. So how we find head pump? From the equation of energy, P1 over gamma plus P1 square over 2G plus Z1 minus HL minus HT plus HP equal to P2 over gamma plus the square over 2G plus Z2. So in this question, apa yang kita buat? Pertama sekali awak buat simplize this equation dulu. Okay, how we simplize? We know that elevation tak ada kat sini elevation tak ada. So elevation tak ada. Kita beritahu elevation neglect. Okay, ada kita ada tak ada terbang kat sini tapi kita ada pump. So, P1 diberi pada kita adalah 20 kilo P1 adalah 30 kilo Pascal dan P2 adalah 20 kilo Pascal. Okay, P1 dah diberi pada kita 30 kP. Kat sini P2 diberi P P bukan nilai ni nilai P saja diberi pada kita. So apa yang diberi pada kita adalah nilai P. So nilai P ni adalah 30 kilo Pascal. Yang ni adalah 20 kilo Pascal. Okay, V1, V2. So you need to find lah the velocity at V1. So velocity V1 kat sini berapa? Velocity at V2 kat sini berapa? So you need to find it. Okay, you need to find it. So how to find? Just use the equation Q tu lah. Okay, Q tu Okay. Alright. So saya rasa awak dah tahu nilai V1 dan V2 ni berapa. Dan awak boleh just buat apa dah kat dia. Okay. You can just neglect je sebenarnya V1 dan V2 ni nanti. Nilai dia sama. V1 dan V2 nilai dia sama sepatutnya. Okay. Kenapa nilai dia sama? Sebab pipe kat sini sama je. Okay. Pipe kat sini sama. Size pipe kat sini adalah sama. Okay. Pipe kat sini adalah sama. Dua-dua sama size. So since diameter pipe tu adalah sama, so V1 dan V2 should be the same lah. Okay. Should be the same. So you can just cancel out. But you need to confirm it by yourself. Confirmkan dulu. Okay. Jangan ambil semua apa yang saya bagi. Confirmkan dulu. Okay, alright. So ini now what left for us just nilai P1, nilai P2, HL and then juga HP. So to find HP, just you write back the equation and you get P2 minus P1 over gamma plus HL. That's all Itu je. Okay, betul Kita tengok balik lah nanti. Okay, so left to us this one, and this one only. Okay. Alright. So from here, you need to find the gamma pula berapa. So gamma macam mana nak cari? So gamma is equal to rho G, rho Q ke rho G. Gamma adalah specific weight. Dia adalah rho G lah ke rho Q Jangan salah faham pula. Okay. Gamma is equal to rho G lah. Rho G Rho Q. Percaya apa rho Q tu apa. Okay. So we have here specific weight and then we have Q. So Q ni dia beri daripada kita So Q ni berapa? 141 Q dah beri daripada kita 141. This here 141.4 cubic per second. Okay, just masukkan sahaja value ni and then you can find the power for pump. Okay, so that's your homework lah. Okay, that's your homework. So solve everything in this tutorial and submit your homework lah as usual. Okay, if you have any question you can ask me directly. Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.